Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about something that's been on my mind a lot lately, pots. Now, I'm not talking about the kind of pots you use to cook food. I'm talking about the kind of pots that you can use to save money. Starling Bank has a feature called Pots that allows you to set aside money for specific goals. It's a great way to save money for things like a down payment on a house, a new car, or a vacation. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a pot in Starling Bank, how to add money to it, and how to withdraw money from it. I'll also discuss some of the benefits of using pots. So, if you're interested in learning more about how to save money with Starling Bank, be sure to watch this video until the end. What is a pot in Starling Bank? A pot is a virtual savings account that you can create in Starling Bank. It's a great way to save money for specific goals, such as a down payment on a house, a new car, or a vacation. How to create a pot in Starling Bank? To create a pot in Starling Bank, simply follow these steps. Open the Starling Bank app. Tap on the Savings tab. Tap on the Create a Pot button. Enter a name for your pot. Set a target amount for your pot, optional. Tap on the Create button. How to add money to a pot in Starling Bank. There are a few ways to add money to a pot in Starling Bank. You can transfer money from your main account to a pot. You can set up a recurring transfer to a pot. You can round up your purchases to the nearest pound and transfer the difference to a pot. How to withdraw money from a pot in Starling Bank. To withdraw money from a pot in Starling Bank, simply follow these steps. Open the Starling Bank app. Tap on the Savings tab. Tap on the pot that you want to withdraw money from. Tap on the Withdraw button. Enter the amount that you want to withdraw. Tap on the Withdraw button again. Benefits of using pots in Starling Bank. There are a number of benefits to using pots in Starling Bank. It's easy to set up and use. Creating a pot is simple, and you can add money to it and withdraw money from it easily. It's a great way to save money for specific goals. Pots can help you stay on track with your savings goals by making it easier to see how much money you need to save. It's a safe and secure way to save money. Starling Bank is a regulated bank, so your money is safe and secure. It's free to use. There are no fees associated with using pots in Starling Bank. Pots are a great way to save money for specific goals. If you're looking for a way to save money, I highly recommend using Starling Bank's Pots feature. If you're interested in learning more about Starling Bank, be sure to check out their website or download their app. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.